So this is the K-Musculo pool table cover. It was sent to me by the manufacturer for me to review for you. My husband is a pool player and he wants to protect his table, so this was the perfect thing for us to review. This pool table cover is a really heavy-duty leatherette. So it's not a real leather, but it is very, very similar to leather. It has a beautiful texture like leather. It feels nice. It keeps the pool table clean. We're not worried about anything spilling, liquid spilling, because it wipes right up. Anyway, the stitching on it is beautiful, very nicely stitched. I find the stitching very similar to my high quality purses that I have, so it's really well made. Now, there was one difference from the photos on the web page. The photos show the logo a little differently. The logo is actually, the one I received, the logo is printed in pretty big white letters across the side of the pool table cover. So, but it did not affect its quality. It didn't affect the way it's used. So I just think it's great. My husband's pool table is a regulation size, so it's so I went ahead and got the 112-inch length one because it is a 9-foot table, which is very large. It's also hard to find sizes that will fit this table, but this one fit perfectly. We just love it. We really highly recommend this pool table cover. It's beautiful.